Hey everybody, I'm Dominic from askmediy. In this video, what we're going to be doing is inspecting a leach field of a septic system. Now, a few months ago, I was here and we opened it up and we found a lot of different issues that really seemed to have taken care of everything. We had a lot of wet spots coming up, so we had broken pipes. We had another pipe coming in that was just feeding the field with a crazy amount of water that was coming off a mountain. Why? I have no idea. So anyway, in order to see what's going on, because everything looks good from on top, but that doesn't really mean it's 100% or even 50%. So what we need to do is get inside those pipes and see what's going on. See if we have a lot of water still or what we have. In order to do that, we need a special sewer camera that we need to be able to get in there and see and hopefully record. And if we have an issue, we need to be able to use tools to locate where that is. But a disclosure that the camera I'm going to be showing you was given to me by Sanyipace. And it seems to be a really cool camera. So let me show it to you and let's get inside. And well, here's our whole camera setup. And I mean, so far it seems really pretty cool. And look at that, got a keyboard, you got 200 feet of camera wire there. There's our camera. Turn this puppy on. Maybe it'd be a good idea if I don't have it in the sun. And boom, and there's our picture of the camera. And boom, boom, and there I am. How cool is that, huh? All right, so now what we need to do is get this camera inside the D-box. Now I left this D-box exposed for the simple reason of returning months later to see what's going on. So we got to open this up and get into those pipes. Okay, here's our distribution box. You see these yellow things there? They are called levelers. Now we can adjust those so one field gets more than the other and so forth, but basically we want all these even. Unless we're having an issue with one, we could turn one off, but if we turn one off, then it means the rest of them are getting more. And if you look closely, you can see where the effluent is actually going in them slowly, but we really don't have anything coming in from the tank side. Just a little dribble drabble. All right, so let's get into looking at one. I think I'm going to do this side over here first. So let's get that camera in there. Wow, look at that picture in this camera. Wow, pretty cool. All right, one of the things, and I got to tell you, that I like about this setup, you see how I can just pull the camera out and it's just sitting on rough ground. I had other cameras, actually I still have them, that I can't do that. You have to put it like on a board or something because they weren't designed good. So we're going to get the camera. I'm going to use this bit that's on this tip, this black thing here, because that's going to be able to fit right in there. But they come, and I'll show you, with other attachments for different kinds of pipe. So I'm just going to get this one. I'm going to stick it right into this one here. Whoops. Got a little wet. And this is what we're looking at inside that. Look how cool is that, huh? Now I'm going to hit the record button right here. Let's turn this puppy on. Hey, and there I am. How cool, huh? Look into the camera. All right, one thing that we want to do, because out here, great picture, right? But once we get in that pipe, it's going to get pretty dark in there. So what we need to do is, that's kind of hard for me to do this one hand, but we got this button here, and we're going to turn on the light. Look at that, huh? Nice and bright light. And which we can adjust the intensity of it. So let's get this. Let's see if I don't drop my other camera in. All right, stick that right in there. We're going to roll it out. So now we're looking at the inside of the camera. Okay, but it's telling us that we're a little bit more than 4 feet of this wire is spooled out. We'll come over here and hit the clear button. and that will zero us out. That's what we want to know. We don't care about how much cable we got on the ground. We want to know how much of it's going in. So I was going to push it in and see. Actually, record this. Oh, all right, and we'll push it down. So, I mean, this, and it's a self-leveling camera, which is cool because that sediment that you see on that is on the bottom for sure. We're going in. You know, I mean, it's a septic system. How clean is it really going to be? We're coming over to another pipe here. Pretty cool. And still a very good picture. And we're about 11 feet in. Of course, this goes a lot further than that. And that's, this is all solid pipe I'm looking at here because I don't see any of the perforations. That would actually drain. Oh, and there we go. Now we're in the water. Okay. So where is that? Okay, so let's go and try to locate where that is right there. That's standing water. Okay, it's like we're getting closer here. See the gauge goes down, going up, now it goes back down. Back up, go over here. Now go back up here. Okay, I'm going to say it's right there. Right about there. Let's make a X. My foot there. X marks the spot. Turn this thing off. All right, that's what it's showing me, that this receiver that comes as a package with this camera, you can buy it separate. I think it's just a couple $100, maybe it's something like that. It's lightweight, you know, it does the trick, but really, okay, I mean, that did the trick, but you know, they make a lot of different receivers. We have one that, like I just showed you, that comes with the unit, and is good for what you're doing with. They make other ones that are a lot more money. I mean, the one I'm going to show you now, it costs about $3,000. So you got a couple hundred, if that, to $3,000. That's a huge difference. Let me turn this one on. Now, just so you know, most cameras, not all of them, they transmit on 512 megahertz, and most receivers will receive on multiple different frequencies as well as 512. So let me show you this puppy. All right, look at this thing. All right, this is very different, costs a lot more money, but what I'm trying to explain, I want to see what results I'm going to get with this one compared to the one I just showed you. Okay, so let's see where this ends us up at. Okay, the difference between a $3,000 unit to the one I just showed you, the one that comes with it, maybe that was a foot difference. Which one is really right? You know what? Go for the center. So, not that much of a difference between a $3,000 unit to the one that comes with that. All right, so let's get back to this camera here. Okay, enough of that septic. We're here on a site that I have a drain line, I guess it was for the gutters on the house, but it's filled with water. Down this way, I have two pipes. I don't know what they're for. I gotta clean them out a little bit where the grass is, so I can shovel that out. I'm gonna stick the camera up there and see where they go and what's in it. I know one side of it's plugged, so I don't want to put it down here where it's filled with water. We'll get a much better view on the other side. At least I assume so. So let's get this Sanyipace sewer camera and see what we got. Here's one, and goes right up to the house. Maybe, does it? I don't know. But then way over here is another one, which looks more like a 6-inch one here. And really don't know. I don't know. But I know I want to clear this out a little bit, and the other one too. Let's get going. All right. Give you a better view here. Oh, nuts, geez. Open our beautiful camera up here. Let's see, yeah, nice little storage area for all our different ends on it. Move it. Now, I guess we'll use this one here. This is great for 4-inch and above pipe. Instead of having the camera itself just roll right into the water or the mud, we're going to get this. It has a rollers on it, which is really nice. That's going to help us navigate in there. If we really don't know, I mean, I have no idea where this pipe goes. Let's put it on, tighten these screws up so we don't leave it behind. That wouldn't be easy to recover now, would it? All right. Get our keyboard back. What's holding me back here? Oh, wire. All right. Let's turn this puppy on. See what we got. I guess maybe we'll record it. All right. Nice view. There's my cameraman. Tripod. Mr. Tripod. Okay. All right. Let's stick it in there. Oh, it's dark. Can't see. Let's turn the light on. Whoa, look at that. Which is cool. We can keep pressing the button, change the intensity. All right. Let's hit the clear button. And we'll clear out the, and actually I'm going to write on here, green pipe. There's only one green pipe. Okay. Let's start recording. Hit our record button. Here's recording. Okay. Put it in there. Huh? Lucky enough, what we're looking at is the top of the pipe because it's a self-leveling camera. The pipe is still green. Another piece. Zoom in, zoom out. Oh, that's turning. And we are about 20 feet in. That's 30 feet in. And I mean, this is so easy to pull in. I'm just pulling the wire like this. Yeah, it's nice and stiff wire, which really helps. It's not going to do a 90-degree turn. Uh-oh. Let's back up here. That's 50 feet. You can see at 50 feet we're coming to a T. 51 feet up that way. No idea where it is. I mean, we have a locator that we can use. All right, you see the pipe has changed color. Whoa! Woo! You see the snake? Ooh, that scared me. Amy, go get the snake. I didn't see that one coming now, did I? Oh boy. Any more snakes coming? Another fitting. I think we're coming up to a blockage. The bad thing is that this pipe I'm in is way bigger than my piece that I have. Alright, so we are at 65 feet. That's up there. That could be towards the front of the house, because there's nowhere else I think it's going to get. You know, geez, if I had the right piece on that camera, dead end fitting, probably would have seen that snake coming, huh? All right. Okay, let's go locate that without any more snakes. Amy. Amy. There's that snake. Where's the snake? Bring in for a little close-up here. That's a big pipe I'm going through. Hopefully there's no more snakes. And let's see. You can see, I mean, what a quality picture. And I love the counter of this because I know exactly how far it is. Yeah, see, that's laying, I got a better view there because it's laying pretty much on the bottom. And it's like a little bit of an angle piece there. You see, that's 20 feet in. But, I mean, what a great picture to detail. I see you got my reflection a little bit. There's something there. I don't know what that was. A stick, maybe? When you see another snake. I mean, that other snake was only a gardener snake, but it still scares the crap out of you. Alright. Boy, what a view of that pipe, though, huh? 40 feet in, I could see everything. What is that? Huh. How do white marks get on the inside of a pipe? I'll never know. You know, I'm holding my video camera with one hand and in the other hand just pushing this camera in with these. Alright, so we got a T right there, and that'd be on the side. It changes pipe to, it looks like a 4-inch pipe. And you can tell that by the color of it. Not that that means anything, and got a, it looks like a black hole. Another bend. Right? Yeah. Alright. So it looks like we're getting into some dirt here. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a lot of dirt plugging up the way there. Yeah. Yep. So that's plugged up good. That's we're not going to get the camera any further. And that's 66 feet up. All right. So really got to find the other end to it. That's the same spot we were before. All right, reel it back in. Pull it in. What I like about it, you can see exactly how much you got to go.